Hi everyone, my name is Denise Backmore and I'm with howcraftcollection.com. Today I'm going to be showing you how to create these beautiful crystal rings. They're created using quartz crystal nuggets from howcraftcollection.com. They come in a multi-pack. So all of these bead colors that you see here are in the pack. We're also using 20 gauge wire. And this is a ring mandrel. This can be purchased on the site as well. Today I have it hooked up to a vise so I can show you how to create the rings easy. You can also not use a vise. It's just a little bit harder because you have to hold the vise or you have to hold the mandrel with your hand and you're trying to wrap. So we're going to cut a 24-inch length of wire and we're going to string our quartz crystal to the center of the wire. And you really want to make sure it's right at the center. Okay, so we're going to flip that around. We're going to find the flat side of the crystal. That's going to be the back side of the ring. We're going to bend the wire down on both sides. Make sure it's nice and snug. Using our round nose pliers, we're just going to go in and we're going to bend it back and then make a slight bend. We're going to go in, make a slight bend. So the ring will sit nicely on that. Okay, I'm going to move some of this stuff out of the way. We're going to place the ring on size 9. I'm making a size 8 ring. So if I want a size 8, I have to create it on size 9 because these rings shrink a size. If you want to create a size 7, you need to put it on the size 8. So we have it on the size 9. I'm going to hold it. And I'm going to wrap the wire around the front. 1, 2. Make sure it goes right underneath the stones. You want to make sure that your wires are not crossed. We always want them flat, laying together. So now we're going to do the other side of the wire. Let's see if I can move my hand out of the way. And we're going to go 1, 2, and we're going to move it back to the size 9, making sure the wires are laying side by side and they're not crossed. We're going to move this wire right over here. We're going to wrap the wires around the crystal. For the top, you want to make sure you don't start here and wrap. You want to start right here. And we're going to do it really tight. We're going to go 1, 2. Okay, same thing on the back side. We're making sure our wires aren't crossed. We're going to pull that to tighten it up. And we're going to wrap 1, 2. Okay, now we're going to take the ring off the mandrel. This is what it looks when it's off the mandrel, looks like. And I like to put my finger right in here. We're going to bring the wire around and we're going to press the wire through. Okay, making sure those are lined up. We're going to wrap 1, 2, push that through. You can move the wires up with your fingernail. I like to bring it right on the side, right about there, and using our wire cutters, we're just going to trim that end. And then we can just lightly push that down. Okay, now we're going to go to the other side. We're going to bring it around and wrap it underneath. We're going to wrap one. Two. Three. And we're just going to bring it down just a tad using our wire cutters. We're going to trim that end, tack it down. Now, what I like to do when I get to this point is I like to, put it back on the mandrel. And I like to slide it. Slide it down. And then we're going to take it off. See, it straightened out the wires. And there you have it. You can adjust the stone. And there you have it, how to make a quartz crystal ring. Visit howcraftcollection.com for more videos, more inspiring projects, and I hope you have a good day.